Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shraddha and today we are going to do tutorial on decoupage plus mixed media. Yes, and I'm not using any texture paste or mixed media paste here. I'm going to tell you how we gonna do it without them. Don't miss future tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, I've taken this print on my printer paper. You can use tissue paper, deco paper, anything you like. You can decoupage with any type of paper. Plus these prints are from Dot Inspiration shop on Etsy. If you want to know more about it, please read the description. So guys, this is my MDF base. I'm painting with the white paint and I'm applying my Mod Podge in gloss luster, and there is a matte finish as well, but you can use whatever you want to use. So tip number 1 is here. You need to apply Mod Podge all over the surface of your project, especially the edges. If you don't have any deco paper, deco sheet or napkin, you can use any paper from your old books or novels like I'm using it. You can decoupage with it. So always remember that you need to glue on your edges, not too much, not too less, but always try to glue enough on your edges of your any project. It is very useful tip in the case of you are covering your whole project with the tissue or deco paper. Now I'm taking my sandpaper, I'm going to distress it and see the magic. The extra paper gonna come off by itself if you're using your sandpaper. And always remember to apply enough glue on your edges, not too much, remember, as I said, because if you don't apply the glue on your edges, your paper can peel off from the object. This is step number 2. So how we gonna tear off our design from this print, especially while using deco paper or napkin. So we use the brush and we apply water with the help of brush on the edges of our design which we want to tear off or which we want to use. Please avoid the scissors to tear off your design because we don't want to look it like that you pasted something. Always use fingers to tear that design, as you can see in the video. Guys, I don't want you to miss the future tutorials because I'm going to come with a lot of things. So please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications immediately. And please, if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section below. So I already applied the deco glue on my surface. I'm going to paste it now, and I am going to also apply the Mod Podge over it so it can give its glossy look and it can seal my image properly. So for this project I used my own picture. Yes, it's me, it's a funny picture, so I'm going to cut it with the scissor only. I'm just avoiding these white paper or the extra paper you can see in my image. And now I'm going to give you tip number 3, how you're gonna paste your design when you choose it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the Mod Podge on the surface first, wherever you want to paste the picture, and we're gonna put the picture just like that. We are not going to press it, we are going to put it just like that. We're gonna need another sheet, transparent sheet, and we're going to press it over the transparent sheet the way I'm doing in the video. Please look at carefully. It is the most important tip because many of the crafters complain that there is a lump in their project, why it is there. So it's because of that, and just remove it very slowly. We don't want to rip off our image from that object, so just slowly, yeah, just like that. See, it's very clear, there's no lump and it's good. For mixed media we can use our sprays or distressing, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm going to use simple paints which are easily available in any stationery shop or nearby your market. So I'm going to use the brown color on the edges. I can apply with the brush, but I think fingers are going to give more effect, like vintage look like effect over it, so I'm using my fingers. To cover the edges of my design, so I'm using the white paint over it and I'm just applying it over the edges, and I'm actually blending it over the edges, as you can see. it's gonna give good look, and plus it's gonna hide the edges as well. After decoupage, we are going to start with mixed media. As you know guys, I'm not going to use any mixed media paste or texture paste. We are going to create our own texture. So firstly, I'm going to take cheesecloth, which is easily available at medical store or at your home, and you can paste it with the heavy gel medium. I'm using it. It's very essential to paste your metal embellishments and embellishments especially. For in the texture effect, I already cutted the small cardboard into rectangle pieces. As you can see, I'm going to paste it with the heavy gel medium only, and then I'm going to apply the white paint over it. Just look at that, how I'm going to apply it. We can use sprays as well, but I'm not going to use them. I'm going to use distress here, but you can use the paint because I want to tell you something about it. I have mixed the white and the red color to give this pink look, so I'm applying it on the edges of my rectangles only, as you can see in the video. And now I'm going to use my distress ink, and the main thing I want to tell you about it, like, it's not only for stamping, but you can also paint with it. Yes, and you can also paint your digi stamps if you like, but it's really great for that. So guys, I already told you about how you can make your texture, like with the cardboard and cheesecloth. You can also make texture with the help of bubble wrap, your own plastic sheets, etc. So now I'm going to tell you how you can make the deco stones. Instead of deco stones, you can use your tea leaves and you can mix it with the PVA glue and apply it with the help of finger. It's gonna stick easily with the fingers, so I'm using my fingers to apply it. You can also use the thermocol balls and you can stick it. It also helps to give you the deco stone look. So as you can see, it's looking lovely. Now I'm using my embellishments, like metal embellishments. You can use earrings. If you don't have metal charms, you can use your old earrings. You can paste like that, and you can also use your old buttons or the small things you have. You can use something like that. Now I'm pasting these flowers. These are from Dot Inspiration shop only. I'm pasting it with the help of double-sided tape. Guys, it's almost done now, so I really hope that you enjoy this tutorial with the tips and tricks of mixed media and decoupage. I hope really it's gonna help you in your projects as well. I really don't want you to miss the future tutorials, so please do subscribe my channel, and if there is any doubt related to this tutorial, please write in the comment section below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.